298 species in genus Rumex. Rumex, a deep dive into docks and sorrels. I've always been fascinated by the diversity of the plant world. From towering redwoods to delicate wildflowers, each species holds a unique charm. Lately, I've found myself drawn to a genus of plants that often gets overlooked, Rumex. You might know them better as docks or sorrels. These unassuming herbs, belonging to the buckwheat family, Polygonaceae, are found all over the world. They're often dismissed as weeds, but I think they deserve a closer look. A diverse genus. Rumex is a large genus, boasting 298 species. This diversity is reflected in their appearance and habitats. Some are tall and robust, while others are small and creeping. They thrive in a variety of environments, from meadows and woodlands to coastal areas and even disturbed ground. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just weeds. While some Rumex species are considered weeds, the genus offers a surprising array of uses and benefits. Culinary uses. Sorrel, with its tart flavor, is a popular ingredient in many cuisines. It can be added to salads, soups, sauces, and even desserts. The leaves can also be cooked like spinach or used to make a refreshing beverage. Medicinal properties. Rumex species have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. They are believed to possess a range of properties, including antioxidant. Sorrel is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body against cell damage. Anti-inflammatory. Some Rumex species are believed to have anti-inflammatory effects, which may be helpful in conditions like arthritis. Diuretic. Rumex has been traditionally used as a diuretic, promoting increased urination. Laxative. Certain Rumex species have laxative properties, aiding in relieving constipation. Ecological importance. Rumex plants play a role in the ecosystem by providing food and habitat for various insects and animals. They are also known to improve soil health by accumulating minerals. My personal connection. My interest in Rumex goes beyond its practical uses. I'm intrigued by its resilience and adaptability. These plants thrive in diverse conditions, often in places where other plants struggle. They remind me of the importance of perseverance and finding strength in unexpected places. I've also been experimenting with incorporating different Rumex species into my diet. I've found that the tartness of sorrel adds a unique dimension to my meals. I'm eager to explore more culinary applications and discover new ways to enjoy these versatile plants. A call for appreciation. Rumex, often dismissed as a mere weed, deserves a second look. It's a genus of incredible diversity, offering culinary delights, potential medicinal benefits, and ecological value. I encourage you to take a closer look at these unassuming plants and appreciate the role they play in our world. Remember, when foraging for Rumex, it's crucial to properly identify the species to ensure safety and avoid any toxic lookalikes. Always consult reliable sources and, when in doubt, err on the side of caution.